you this, the terrestrials are here and they're powerful beyond your wildest expectation. And you'd want to pray that they stay here and go through the shift with you. Because, my friend, you're going to need all the help you can get when you come out of this whole journey. I've told you this thing called the Great Shift. I've told you this is the earth plane right here. And there's the fourth dimension right here. And it's going to come eventually, it's going to come into this whole journey and it's going to merge this whole process in. But this little merging space right now, it's going to be a little hectic, you know that. Because understand this, your cars are not going to be good, your grocery stores aren't going to be good, and nothing's going to be good. But understand this, you people that want to hold on to your millions of dollars and stick in your pillows and so on and so forth, that's right, go ahead and do it. Because understand this thing, when it happens, you wouldn't have to worry about it, because the galactic energies will swoop into this whole project right now, and they'll gear you through this whole process. And you know what I'm going to tell you, right? There's no free rides. Nobody gets a free ride. They want to see what you're going to do. When they see what you can do, and what can you do? You're going to live through this whole damn thing. That's right, this damn thing. You're going to live through this whole damn thing, and you got to be aware of what you're going to get to when you get there, and that's when they'll make themselves known. Not a minute before that. Don't be thinking they're going to come in and say, oh, here, come on, little human, let me just pet you on your head and sit here under my craft and watch that. They're not going to do it. They don't want to do it. They want to see what you're going to do to get here. You understand this? You're not a test case for them. You're a test case for yourself, for your God creators. But understand this thing. You've got to be aware that they will be here when it's all said and done. And they got some beautiful things. You know, you think this internet thing is good? Not a prayer. That's been so far beyond this whole project. They're calling from here to your Andromedas. Just like that. Click, get a 3 or 4 way conversation. Now, what I'm telling you things, lad, I don't want to be too much because everybody thinks I'm crazed. But I'm not crazed by any stretch of imagination. I'm in a hurry to move with you. But you've got to get up off this dime and get going. Because I'll tell you this, if you're not going to go, somebody else is going to go. I know somebody's going to go, because this is the third dimension. It's wiped out. You've totally ruined this little planet called Earth. Totally. You go to China. Oops, China, get over it, because they get the smoke spewing up out of this whole project called China. And you go to another place in Russia, and you see the bad weathers and the colds and the attitudes. The attitudes are just sometimes hard to deal with. But understand this thing. That's why the medium's going over to Russia, and he's talking to the people. And he's got enough people right now to start this whole project. You think the medium's just been walking around here doing what he's got to do because he's got nothing better to do? No, he's working for me. He's working for you, and he's working for everybody. But understand this thing, lad. And you can understand that this is when you can put this in the bank, as they call, in the bank. The bank is going to tell you the terrestrials are here right now, and they're going to stay. But they're not going to come up here and go, boom, here I am. No. They want to see what humans in the third dimension can live through this great turmoil, this period of time. They want to see that you can get through this whole project and get out to the other side. And I'll tell you this, that's the only thing they want to see. They don't want to know how you're going to do it. They don't want to know how you're going to do it. They don't want to even think about how you're going to do it, because they're going to watch you with beautiful eyes.